step into the 2008 Toyota Tacoma Pre-Runner. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are automatic shoulder belts, fold-down rear seats, 3-point rear seat belts, adjustable lumbar seat, EBA emergency brake ASST, center console, and side impact airbag, A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.